Hello friends, welcome to our online tutorial class. Friends, this is for class 7 and 8 both. Today we are going to discuss about algebraic expressions. You have already learned the introduction part of algebra in the previous classes. So today we are going to learn algebraic expression in detail. We will start with an example. Here 7x plus 5 is an algebraic expression. Now, in this algebraic expression 7x plus 5, we have 7 and 5 are numeral terms and x is literal term. 7x plus 5 can be written as 7 into x plus 5. We can observe that these numerals and literal terms are connected by some fundamental operations. Into and plus are the two of the fundamental operations used here. So, the numerals and literal terms are connected by into and plus in this algebraic expression. So, without using the term like variable, coefficients and constant, we can define an algebraic expression very easily. So, let us try. The combination of literal and numeral terms connected by plus, minus, into, divide is an algebraic expression. Now we are going to understand variables, coefficients and constant. Variable. What is a variable? Variable is just a symbol which can represent different values of an expression. That means variables never be fixed. It doesn't have a fixed value. We keep the same example to understand the variable, coefficients and constant. In the 7x plus 5, x is the symbol here we have about which we don't know. So, x is the variable here. Understood what is variable? Variable is a symbol that can have different values. In the 7x plus 5, x is the variable. Now, coefficient. Without a variable, a coefficient is meaningless. We will get a coefficient of an expression if there exists a variable. That means we will have a coefficient of a particular variable only. Coefficient cannot be an independent term. Here, if x is variable, then only 7 is the coefficient of x.
The term which is multiplied with a variable is a coefficient of the variable.
Coefficients and variables are interlinked. If there exists a variable, then there will be a coefficient for that particular variable. Another example. Suppose I have written an expression 2 by 3 xy. Here we have 2 by 3 as numeral and xy as literal terms. Now, observe carefully. If x, y both are the variables together, x as well as y also variable, then 2 by 3 is the coefficient of the variable x, y. Okay, but if only x is variable, then rest all terms which is multiplied with x is a coefficient. That means x is a variable, then the expression will be 2 by 3y into x. So, now all the remaining part which is multiplied with x is a coefficient. In this case 2 by 3 y is the coefficient of x. Similarly, if y is the variable, only y is the variable, then the expression can be written as 2 by 3 x into y. That means the rest whole term which is multiplied with y is the coefficient of y. That means 2 by 3 x is the coefficient of y. So, in this case x is also coefficient. So, coefficient can be a numeral or literal term. Okay. So, coefficients always depend upon on the variable. First, we must have the variable to identify its coefficient. Next, constant. The term which doesn't have a
lateral term
is the constant term. It is always independent. Here in the first example, 7x plus 5 is the constant. So understood? Variable, coefficient and constant, clear? Friends, the next point is terms of an algebraic expression. The terms of an algebraic expression are separated by plus and minus, and they are combined by into and divide. When two terms are multiplied together, then these two terms are considered as a single term. Here in the 7x plus 5, 7 and x are multiplied. So 7x becomes a single term. It is a product. And plus, now another term we will get 5. That means here we will have 7x is one term and 5 is another term. So we will have two terms here. Another example, x, y, z. In this x, y, z, the three terms together multiplied, x into y into z. These three terms together, they make a single term. That's why x, y, z are not different terms. That is a single term since it is a product of three terms. A product is always a single term. So x, y, z, how many terms we will have here? One term. X into y into z. But x plus y plus z, you check. Since we have x plus y plus z, so the terms are separated by plus and minus. So we will have here x one term, y is another term and z is another term. That means we will have total three terms here. Understood? If an algebraic expression has only one term, then that is called monomial. If it will have two terms, then that is called binomial. Similarly, if it has three terms, then it is called trinomial. So one term monomial, there are two terms, then binomial, and three terms, then trinomial. Now, degree of an algebraic expression. The maximum power of the variable in an algebraic expression is called its degree. Now, if I have written 7x square plus y, in this 7x square plus y, both x and y are the variables. Now, the power of x is 2 and the power of y is 1. So, which is the maximum value? 2. So, the degree of this algebraic expression is 2. Similarly, x cube plus y square plus z, it is an algebraic expression. It is a trinomial. In this expression, if x, y and z all are variables, then the power of x is 3, the power of y is 2 and the power of z is 1. So, the degree of this polynomial is the maximum power, that is 3. So, the degree of this polynomial is 3. Now, another condition you check. Suppose I have a monomial
x square y.
Now, what is the degree of this?
X square y.
Here, when two variables are in product in form of a single term, if two variables are connected by multiplication, then the power of the variables have to be added to find its degree. Here in this example, its degree is the power of x, that is 2, plus the power of y, that is 1. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. This happens only when two variables are in product form. Can you tell me what is the degree of this expression? Yes, the degree of this expression is 6. Okay. So, we have understood about the degree of an algebraic expression. Okay. Now, you have noticed a term we are using frequently here is polynomial. My dear, there is a difference between algebraic expression and polynomial. It is very important and we have to understand the difference. All the polynomials are algebraic expression, but all algebraic expressions are not polynomials. Interesting. In an algebraic expression, the power of all the variables is a whole number, then it is a polynomial. Otherwise, it is not a polynomial. Now, you check x square plus 7. Here, the variable is x, its power is 2. Okay, 2 is a whole number, its power is 2 and 2 is a whole number. That's why x square plus 7 is a polynomial. Similarly, xy square plus 7, this is also a polynomial. But my dear, you check x to the power minus 1 plus 3. In this expression, the power of the variable x is minus 1. Minus 1 is not a whole number. That's why this algebraic expression is not a polynomial. To be a polynomial, the algebraic expression must have power of the variable as a whole number. Here minus 1 is not the whole number. Similarly, x to the power 2 by 3 plus 7. Here 2 by 3 is not a whole number. Here 2 by 3 is not a whole number. So, it is not a polynomial. Similarly, x plus 1 by x. 1 by x means 1 by x is equal to what? 1 by x equal to x inverse, that is x to the power minus 1. So, here also power of the variable is minus 1. So, it is not a polynomial. Square root of y is a variable, suppose. But square root means to the power 1 by 2. To the power 1 by 2 is the square root is equal to. So, square root of y is equal to y to the power 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is not a whole number. That is why this square root of y is not a polynomial. Okay. So, understood?
Thank you.